Welcome back to the channel, guys. This kind of video is something that I've already created in the past. I thought that I should make one more, a summer edition, a summer break edition. So my day generally starts at this time at around 10. I follow up with my mails for half an hour, and then for 1-2 hours I do lead code, and then some office work, then lunch, and then I chill a little bit, and then I do some project work and stuff. So this is how a typical day in my life looks like till 5 p.m. But today is a different day. So today's agenda is maybe till 11:30 I'll do some lead code, and then I have a weekly meeting from 1 to 2. So I'll be doing some revision of the projects that I've deployed in the past. After that I'll cook lunch, then we'll do the meeting, like we'll attend the meeting from 1 to 2, and then we'll have lunch and chill a little bit, and then we'll see what we need to do further. It's 10. I think we should have our breakfast. This is overnight soaked oats that I generally keep for my breakfast. So I know all of my audience is not from computer science field, but one thing that I would highly suggest you guys is to make specific notes of all the DSA questions that you solve. Like, you see, I've solved this medium question. So this is of light creamish color, this is hard, this is easy, and the date on which I've solved it, and specific notes that I have for that particular question. Just in case if I have referred to any solution, I also have that link. My main motive of doing this is because later on, if I have to revise and if I have to refer to something, I have this sheet in front of me, because everyone does not get each and every solution at once, but there are few solutions which are very easy for you to understand. So that's why I have made this list with that particular solution link, so it would be very easy for you. So this is my kitchen sink, and below this is the InSinkErator. This is leaking. I don't know why is it leaking. So I'm expecting the plumber today. So this is one issue, and other one is in my washroom. I have the same issue, but this is leaking. The pipe is leaking. We don't have an InSinkErator here, but this is leaking. So I've kept a utensil. We don't use this, so I just kept it. So I just finished few of my DSA lectures. I was not able to solve the problems that I wanted to, but actually the thing is that I've been a little inconsistent with it, so I just forgot the main fundamentals. So I'm revising them today. The questions I'll do tomorrow. I have the meeting from 1, so I think I should revise my deployments because I'll have to present them in the meeting. So this was all of the code that I had to review, and I think I am ready. It's 12:21 right now, so I think I'll make my lunch, because after I'm done with my meeting I'll have lunch, and then we'll see what we have to do ahead. Weekdays are very hectic for me. So I have kept the rice and pulses for cooking. One thing that I wanted to share with you is that this is how my daily life looks like in the summer break. If I would have wanted, I could fake it very easily. Maybe I could have got some fancy car or something, did some shopping and all, but that is just a day in my life, not my daily life. The daily life of an international student is like, you have to prepare your own meals, you have to study, you have to manage a lot of things. So I try to be very genuine with my content on my channel, because I am very focused on this thing, that I'll not do anything which misrepresents my life or which can, put you under a fake image. Hi everyone, how are you? Yeah, I think we'll be meeting next Tuesday itself, right? Not couple of weeks. Okay, bye. Take care. Okay, time to have lunch. Okay, so it's almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and I don't know why am I feeling sleepy. Although I don't sleep daily in the afternoons, but I think I had curd today in my lunch, so maybe because of that. So quick update for you guys. I know it was just a matter of few seconds for you people, but I slept for almost 1 hour. Now I have my smoothie ready because after I study for almost an hour, I'll go to the gym, and because I do pretty intense workout, so I need energy over there. Got finished with my workout. I got so busy in that I forgot recording. So it's 9 p.m. now. I'll quickly freshen up and head to home, and then I'll speak to you guys. So I came back from the gym. I'll quickly take a shower, and I have a meeting to attend. So you see how I have multiple meetings throughout the day. It's very time consuming and mind boggling, but yeah, I'll then have my dinner. And generally what I do afterwards is I have started playing games these days. So after everything is done, after I have my dinner and all, I and my roommates play that. So I'll quickly take a shower as of now. What's up? How are you doing? So that we are not copying it exactly, we can take it as an idea. Bye, take care. Okay, so this is how my typical day looks like. I was just editing this video and I just noticed that I forgot to give any outro. I do work from home, I cook my lunch, I go to the gym, I play games, although I was not able to play any game that day because I was very tired, so I just slept. So if there's anything else, any specific kind of video that you want to see, please make sure that you let me know either in the comment section or maybe on my LinkedIn or maybe on my Instagram. I am pretty active over there. This was it. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Do subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Take care.